Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am home at my humble little place doing an amazing photo shoot for all of you today. Today I'm going to be using RGB LED lights for my portraits. That's right, and I'm going to be using all of my V-flats. I have two V-flats from V-Flat World, and I'll be using that as the backdrop as well as the bounce. So before I get into all the particulars and how I plan to shoot this shoot, first I want to introduce the model for today.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Ruiz, working with Robert as a model today, and follow me on Instagram as Stephanie Ruiz.
All right, so that is the model for today's shoot, but what I want to do before we get into it is show you what we'll be using. That's right, the gear, right? Because that's what most of you all are here for. So let's turn this puppy around. Okay, so I have Suit Photos tube LED lights right here. I did a full review of this on my channel. These are RGB lights. They're fantastic. And they actually have really good casing down here, and they do all sorts of colors. And most of all, the reason why I love using these is because I can control it with my phone. That's right, with my phone app. So I have the magenta here, and then I have a blue over here. Okay, so we're going to be turning one on and one off and just playing with portraits with those. I think we're going to start with the blue, and then right now I have a key light right there. This main light is Suit Photo as well. It's the P230 bicolor LED light right there, and yes, I can control it with the mobile app as well. I have a 17-inch softbox right here with a grid to control the light spill. I have a V-flat from V-Flat World right here, and I'm using this to block off most of that key light so it doesn't 100% hit her as well as the background. And then, as I said, I have blue here, magenta there, and then for a bounce, I have a V-flat right here as a bounce. So even in my studio apartment, we are about to get some fire photos. Now, let's talk about cameras. Okay, so right now, I'm going to be shooting right into Capture One just to let you know. So I am shooting tethered. Now the camera I am using is right here. It's the Nikon Z6 Mark III with the 105mm macro lens, the f2.8Z lens. So that's what I'm going to be using primarily. I'll leave the links to all the gear down below, as well as to Stephanie's Instagram. So don't you worry, I got more gear here. I may pull out that 50. You all know I love my 50mm lens, which is sitting right here without a rear lens cap, because it's sometimes like that. But I'll put a cap on there. Don't worry, don't post a comment down below. Either way, it's going to be an RGB day. So with all that said, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure you post them down below. Of course, as I said, I'll be posting all the links to the gear and the model in the description section. So just sit back, relax, feel free to take notes, whatever it is you want to do, or just post a comment because you don't like what I'm doing. Either way, make sure you subscribe, smash that like, let's get to it. All right, let's go. Let's go. I fucking love this. I'm going to star it. I put a star on it. Okay. Right there. Ooh, that's nice too. You like that? Oh my God, I like the two colors. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I like that. You're standing up right now? Mm-hmm. Okay. Like that. And don't forget to what do you call it? Adjust the height of your shoulders. Let me just turn on the app real quick so I could change this here. Makes it much easier. I could change all the colors of all these. So I don't have to keep adjusting it. There we go, 6400. Right there. There we go. That's pretty. That's pretty. Cool. All right. Right there, right there. Good. Oh, that's nice. Right there. Ooh. Super pretty. Good. Good. And breathe through your mouth too, like. Yeah, I like that. Right there. That's pretty. That's pretty. No, I look how you were just like that. You were looking like you put your eyes that way. Just your eyes. Just your eyes. Nope. Chin up back like you had it right there. Good. Take your hand away. Take your hand away. There we go. Good. See? Because I crop in a little bit tighter.
That looks good.
Oh, yeah, that one's cool. That's really nice. I like that a lot. Uh-huh. Oh, that's pretty. Ah, that one looks sexy. Yeah, this is real good. See, you have a nice neck, right? You do this, you hide it. You see?
Okay.
Yeah. So if you go up, you always turn. Don't just do this. Look at me. Don't do this. Can you go?
I know, I just like it.
Yeah, exactly like that. Now eyes at me. Yes. See? Look at that. Look at that. Cool. Like that. Oh, shoot. Let me try that again. Turn this way. Yeah. There's something right there. So you moved your shoulder. Move it back up. Like this. There you go. Right there. Don't move. Cool. That one's cool. That one's pretty. That's pretty. Oh wow. It's crazy how like the smallest movements make a big difference. Make a big difference. Very pretty. Okay, let's see one of your glasses on. Okay, right here. Oh, that's cool. That's super cool. Okay. Really work your shoulders. Work your shoulders. Yes. Okay. That's cool. I love these close-up ones like this. Those are pretty. Look at that. That one's nice. Ooh. You see it? That's a nice one. Yeah, that one's nice. Right there. Don't move. You gotta really stay still. There we go. Right there. Oh. like a campaign. Yeah, that one's nice. Very pretty. Let me get close to you. Right there. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Ooh, that looks great. Yeah. Okay, don't move. You gotta be really still. Hold on, let me turn your chin this way. There you go. Now you can do the thing you're doing, but you gotta turn your chin. Don't move. Don't move. Okay. No, I like when your fingers are more.
Like so?
Yeah, I like this. Right there. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. Okay. Stop right. Really nice. I like that. Work with your shoulders. Yeah. Yeah. If you come that could work. Now when you look at me, just work your shoulders like this.
Okay.
There you go. Or even inward too. You see how I'm doing that? Like this? Exactly. Okay. Hold it when you get it, okay? Right there. Hold on. Look at my shoulder. Can you go in like that? Yes. Tuck your chin in. Tuck your chin in. Down, 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 down. Yes, like that. Just like that. See?
Oh, yes.
Look at that.
Teamwork.
That's gorgeous. Hold on.
Gorgeous, man.
Yes, like that. Good. Okay, let's see. Let's see what else we can
Look at
get.
that. Very romantic.
Ooh. Yeah, your eyes look nice there.
Uh-huh.
God, I love this one. That one's so fire. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's a winner. That's a good one. Yeah. Oh, that's fun. Look, I like that with the this your glasses. Yeah, yeah. So right there. Right there. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I need precise. Right there. Ready? There we go. See, patience. Give it that one too.
And the hair looks amazing.
Everything.
Everything is so good.
Ah, that's cute. Uh-huh. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Put that hand down. No, put that. There we go. Good. Good. Turn your chin a little this way. Right there. Cool. Very nice. Now you can put your other hand there if you want. Good. Right there.
Oh, wow.
That's kind of freaky. That's pretty. Uh-huh. Just watch it. Oh, that worked. Just watch out with being too low. Uh-huh, right there. Right there. Right there. Hold on, hold on. Go back. Eyes at me. Eyes at me. Oh, that's pretty. Dang, that's a nice one too. No, put your shoulder back up. Good. Open your mouth. Yes. Look at it. See? Listen. Fire every time. All right, so that is it right there. So as I explained earlier, I used 2 RGB tube lights by Suit Photo. It's the TP25 RGB lights. I'll leave the link down below for those, as well as the the P230 bicolor light as the key light, and I had it on daytime light, FYI, and I used the Nikon Z6 Mark III, and of course the beautiful model Stephanie right over here. I couldn't do it without her. Matter of fact, you probably wouldn't watch this video if she wasn't here. So make sure you go ahead and follow her at her Instagram. Of course, that link is down below as well. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you already know, hit that bell, subscribe, and as well as like this video. Until next time, keep shooting, stay creative. Thank you for watching.